I can put it another way, okay? Another way is the person who just received Christ, but still has like connection to the old him that stemmed from the principality, okay? He's like if he doesn't know anything, he has no knowledge. He starts arguing, no, I wanna stay the same. Like if I for instance painted into the blue stick here, okay, I wanna stay the same, but I wanna change attitude towards me, okay? So he's like wants attitude change towards his that old sin sin nature inside of him, okay, based on his behavior, okay? So but it's not what happens, and it's not how it works. So the old sinful nature get extracted from the person. God infuses new nature, and it is sent to other people, the information, unknowingly for them mostly, okay, that the person has changed. So the person is in a new organism called the church, and to all other people also, the new attitude is being sent like a visit card about this person. So God puts the new nature into the person. He accepts it, and God places himself also to other people what attitude towards you with your new nature is to be, okay? So it's an imposition, even though invisible one, okay? That's how it works. It only works by accepting the new nature. That's how it works, and that's how it works, okay? So towards that nature, okay, the nature of other people, especially implanted by God, also has different new attitude, okay? So it's like written in everything, like written about you new, okay? So it's like Christ in you, and when person accepts this new nature, there is like a feeling, well, but this is like not me. Well, actually it is you, it is what you are becoming, and this is absolutely right, okay? That's how it's supposed to be, okay? And when a person finally completely identifies with this new nature, this is him, that's it.